Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're comparing two fantastic mirrorless cameras, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 and the Canon EOS R50. Both priced at $799. But which one is the better investment? Let's dive in. When it comes to image quality, the Sony ZV-E10 features a 24.2 megapixels APS-C Exmor CMOS sensor combined with a BIONZX processor, delivering stunning 4K video oversampled from 6K. Reviewers rave about its exceptional video quality and reliability, making it a hit among content creators. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 also boasts a 24.2 megapixels APS-C sensor paired with a DIGIC-X processor, capturing 4K uncropped video at 30 FPS. Users appreciate its vibrant colors and sturdy build, though some mention the need for an external battery for longer shoots. Ultimately, while both cameras excel in image quality, the ZV-E10's oversampling feature gives it an edge for pro-level video work. Next, we'll look at autofocus capabilities. The ZV-E10's product showcase setting allows for seamless focus transitions from your face to objects, making it perfect for showcasing products. Reviewers highlight its fast and reliable autofocus, especially when used with Sony lenses. In contrast, the Canon EOS R50 features dual-pixel CMOS AF II that covers 100% of the frame with 651 AF zones, making it a great choice for tracking moving subjects. Users love how it effortlessly captures pets in action, proving to be a reliable companion for dynamic shooting. While both cameras excel in autofocus, the R50 shines in tracking speed and versatility for fast-paced scenes. Finally, let's talk usability. The ZV-E10 is designed for live streaming with a simple USB connection, earning praise from users for its ease of use. Reviewers love how it's beginner-friendly, making it perfect for streaming without the need for extra equipment. Alternatively, the R50 comes with advanced A+ assist, which helps users capture stunning shots even in challenging conditions. It also features a built-in flash, which is a bonus for low-light selfies. While the ZV-E10 is ideal for streamers, the R50 is favored for its user-friendly features and solid performance in various shooting environments. Both cameras are user-friendly, but the ZV-E10 is particularly suited for live content creators. Overall, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is praised for its video capabilities and ease of use, making it a top choice for vloggers. Reviewers consistently highlight its impressive image quality and advanced autofocus. Meanwhile, the Canon EOS R50 receives accolades for its stunning image quality and beginner-friendly features, although it may require additional batteries for extended use. Both cameras are well regarded, but they cater to slightly different audiences. So which camera do you think fits your needs better? The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 for its video prowess, or the Canon EOS R50 for its versatility? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing content. Check out the product links in the description.